words with ng, ck, and g. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
NG says, ring. CK says, k, rock. G says, g, rug. Let's say them all again. Ring. K, rock. G, rug. Well done. Now practice with a friend.
Exercise 2. Listen to the sound and draw a line to the correct letter. Then write the words. Number 1.
Bug.
Number 2.
Swing.
Number 3.
Sick.
Number 4.
Duck.
Number 5.
Back.
Number 6.
Clock.
Number 7.
Wing.
Number 8.
Bag. Well done. Now write the words. Check with a friend.
Exercise 3. Listen, point, and say. Then say and mime.
He's going camping. He's packing his backpack. His cousins are coming to pick him up. He's packing his socks. He's taking his books. His cousins are calling. He's tying his shoes. Oh, where are his keys? He has to unpack. And look in the bag. They're going camping. He runs out and back.